Day 3, the funded account. Just gonna get right into it. Monday was my worst day. First day of the funded account, just come in with a $350 loss. That's tough. It was in like 2 trades. I learned from my blown account that once you take an L, like all you gotta do is just keep your risk small, just keep your dubs. Just your dubs will overtake your L's, so that's fine. I took 350. That's kind of a little bit more than I wanted to lose, so I just cut it right there. On Tuesday, you see here my best day, and today is Wednesday, but it's about to be like noon right now, so just a time reference. Um, Tuesday was my best day, 250. It was really a choppy day for me because I wanted to be. I don't know what I was thinking, but I was trying to trade while the Fed chair was speaking to Congress, and literally, I literally knew, like I even told myself in my head, like I should really just wait till he's done speaking the trade, like because it was really just chopping up, like from my point of view, it was just chopping up, not really doing anything. And then, literally, the moment that I walk away, or like yeah, the moment I walk away basically was basically when he was done speaking. And then I come back like 5 minutes later and the market is literally just that's when they want to start moving. Like so I'm not mad or salty. I mean I am salty. I'm not mad, but I'm just like damn because like this is tough. But I'm not salty. I am salty. I'm not mad because at least got one winning day of 200. That's one down, right? All I need is four more. So yeah, today he was talking to Congress again, but kind of traded before he really was like talking to them. And yeah, I mean this is the thing for the week, but let me show you the day real quick. That's the trade report for today. Up 970 for today. Took 6 trades. Yeah, and as you see, I'm keeping my losses lower than my winners. Of course, you got to. It's the only way you're gonna win. Like, well, not win, but like be profitable. Like, simple. I had a 50% win rate, but there you go. Um, yeah. So this is what we're looking like right now, and let me show you the stats for the week. And then we'll do the recap of the trades that I took throughout the week. So this is what I love about Tradeovate is these reports, like really insightful, just really a lot of good data in here, right? So yeah, if you wanted to see the details right here, so we're gonna do the trade recap now. So all right, so we're just gonna get right into day 1 or Monday. Let's see, here's part of the account. I'm just gonna go real quick into this. And as you see here, this first percent of your value gap, we got a really nice reaction off that, and I saw we took the sell side, and yep, I'm seeing this inverted fair value gap right here. I saw that and it worked out, and I also saw this fair value gap. Wait, was that a fair value gap? Yeah, it was. So I'm trying to enter out the inverse again, basically, and it's going good again, going good a little bit. and nope, click L. It's okay. And my ninja was kind of tweaking again, but it's alright. And I was looking at this array gap for maybe a re-entry on a short, and I get in. Nope. And yeah, basically my entry wasn't really that good, which is why I said this, because I was trying to kind of like maybe chase it a little bit. All I had to do was just set a limit order if I was really eyeing it, right? It's okay. So at this point I was down like 350, and yeah. And like I said on here, if I was gonna trade again, I think like I lost more than I wanted to, so I was really just gonna lose only $50 more to say like I lost 400 on my first day. Funded, right? So just gonna go through. This is what happened the rest of the day. I just sat and wait. Just sat and wait. Just sat and wait. And that's it. That's literally all that's it, or that's all that there is for Monday. And like I said, my lessons learned was literally I tried to trade against the trend. I was trying to short when thing was bullish. We go back in time on here, you would see it was kind of obviously kind of bullish a little bit, but yeah, that's what I learned. And I also learned, well, not like I learned, but just a reminder that I also gotta respect the first presented for value gap, because that thing is powerful. Like see what it did basically. So yeah, that's day one. All right. I don't know why my camera literally turned off in the middle of the last day, but it's whatever. So this is Tuesday. Right into it. We're not gonna go over every candle, but yeah, this is the first presented Tuesday. Seeing this little fair value gap that literally broke. So I'm thinking it was like an inverse fair value gap, but yeah, it wasn't. And there I went again, going against the trend, but it's okay. And I was tempted to do the same thing right there, and if I would have literally sold, it would have worked out. And then basically tried it again. Oh no. This was beautiful. Actually, I remember now. So yeah, tempted to do the same thing again, and then I literally just did, right? Off this bullish value gap that was right here that broke, and then there's a bearish one that was created, so it was a balanced price range, right? And I'm seeing price react to it, so then I market it in, right? And then I see it going against me a little bit, and I'm like, okay, that might be what I get for trading while the Fed chair is literally speaking. But I spoke too soon. Price just disrespecting me, and this is the thing that I kind of got. I put my stop up a little bit too tight, but it's whatever. Now, if you didn't just notice, because it was going a little bit fast, I had this limit from my target of this short, right? It was right here. But when price took me out from my stop, I never canceled my limit, and I basically just targeted this fair value gap that was older and that was just down here, right? But gosh, it literally went so fast. Oh my gosh. Literally so. My bad. Literally one candle though. It was the 10 o'clock candle. So, right here, I get stopped. Hold on. I can't even speed it up. Can't even speed it up. We're gonna have to see this. I'm sorry. I might speed myself up. So look, this it went down and then popped back up, and I see that I'm out. Like what? If I would have waited though, not tripping though. I know you see that. It was just perfect timing, perfect. It was like everything was set up for me, right? So as you see, I moved stop into profit and then got stopped out, but then the price hit my limit order and then pumped up again, and then I was up 300 for yesterday, right? So then I was watching Fed Chair speak and stuff, trying to trade during that, but ever since the thing opened, literally it was just chop. I really couldn't find anything until um, saw maybe this inverse fair value gap, and I took a quick L right here. Not even gonna go over everything. So at this point, I was done because I was getting tired of just sitting here, just waiting, just nothing, right? And look, let's just learn that Fed meetings and things like Powell testifying to Congress does affect the market in a way that it like kind of made it more choppy, and it was pretty hard to trade from my point of view. How was I gonna trade this literal freaking barcode action? Like what? And yeah, so as soon as I typed that though, Bryce kind of want to start giving me something, and I saw this breaker, but I didn't wait for it to literally like confirm to be a breaker, and basically, yeah, I paid for it. So literally, like I said, I should have waited, and all the profit that I made up being 200, I was not 200 anymore. I was literally back down to where I was. So yeah, right here, I was saying now I'm down 60 for the day. I was down more than I was, right? So like down. So then this is my last entry of the day. I saw this for value gap, looked pretty good. Targeting down here. And what happened? I think oh yeah. I took profit down here, and then I re-entered off this unicorn that I saw that was right here. I landed right here, but I got stopped out. And then again, I said, no. I'm really done for the way. Definitely walking away because I just I made that profit from the first trade in the morning that happened at 10, and then like when I took that short and then it popped back up, and then I walk away and literally the price just dumps. Literally can't get better than that. Can't get better than that. So that's just tough. Like I sat through all this chop just for it to just do that as soon as I walk away and I come back. And at this point, I'm not doing anything because after 12, I don't trade. It's like a forbidden rule for me. I can't. Every time I do, it never works out for me. So yeah, this was Tuesday. All right, so here's today, last day, and this, right here I am this first presented. Right here, I'm seeing this sort of unicorn right here. It's a little tiny fair value gap inside this breaker, but like I saw it was just such a small little fair value gap. It kind of, I don't know. I didn't know how I was gonna gauge my risk for real, so I wasn't really confident in it. But if I would have took it, it would have been good, like I said. But it's okay. It's okay. I just wasn't really fully confident. I'm sorry, but price was just running without me because I did not get a single setup for like a minute. And I was like, maybe that's an order block. And then I'm looking at this for Vega, and I'm seeing that, and I'm like, if we stay closed into that, then that's a valid inverse for Vega. I could possibly take a sell on, and then look at what happens at 10 o'clock again. Market open, not market open, but that's how it'd be like, right? 10 o'clock hits, and it literally, here, we'll go back. I want you to see kind of what happened. Literally, my bad. So, literally, price popped up. Literally, as soon as it popped back up into there, done. Like, if you don't see the precision that is, I don't know what to tell you. This is ICT concepts. I know you see that. That's precision right there. That's precision. Anyways, it's all about execution. But because it's not like I took the trade. But yeah, it's just hindsight at this point. But it happens over and over again. So right here, I'm like, after I missed that, and I wanted to take this possibly unicorn, lower low, high. Here's the last down close candle, and then that's that, and then here's the fair value gap. This is a unicorn to me. I'm like, okay, I missed it. I'm seeing that I missed it, and I kind of chased. So I literally got out. Like I said, not gonna lie, I chased, but I still got a quick little profit. And like I said, I was looking for this unicorn up here. It never happened. So waiting. I'm seeing how it's coming back down into this. This is a breaker, so low. This is a bullish breaker, so low, or high, lower low, and then break up. Once we tap that, that's your entry for real. But I was distracted, and then I saw this fair value gap, and I was like completely zoned out. And then I took a sell, marketed in it, like it was like down right here, and I closed it. Cause what am I doing? I wasn't even paying attention, right? And so I just took that fair value gap entry, and it was like a chase sort of. And I'm seeing the trend, right? So we get strong displacement up. What did I say on like episode 2? I think it was like episode 2 or 3. It doesn't even matter. I said this before in one of these recaps. Once you see an inverse for value gap, like once you see it get inverted with displacement, there's way more high probability. So I entered, marketed, and yeah. Now I moved my stop up. Like I said, I kind of got a problem with moving my stop a little bit like too soon. I gotta work on that. But I like to secure profit, so I need to do that because that's how I literally. When I don't do that, I literally will hold losses, or I'll hold winners that literally turn into losses. Like I always gotta do that. It's like a thing for me. And I would say I probably could have targeted higher. I definitely targeted higher, but I didn't. I secure profits, no biggie. Now here's where I kind of went a little off the wall. So I said I was up about 500 for the day. Yeah, so I was up about 500 for the day off of this, over that, right? And this was the unicorn that I was chasing earlier. Well, not chasing, but like eyeing earlier. Took the sell, marketed, put a buy stop up there. So, and then I tried to get a little re-entry, thinking maybe it was just trying to like sweep some liquidity or something, right? Yeah, no, literally no. Literally, price just pumped, right? So I went from up 500 to literally I was down like 300, or no, I was down to like 100. So like I said, I realistically should have took that dub and just waited, like just been done. But I'm seeing the reversal. I got the context that we need. I'm seeing how sharp this is. We're bullish now. Like we literally inverted this. I probably should have just bought from here instead of trying to short. Um, but I'm seeing price action just disrespect all bearishness basically, and a market bought off this fair value gap. It's right here. I won't draw it till later, but I'm just showing you for right now. It's right here. This fair value gap right here to right here, and then yeah, price just kind of pumped up perfectly, and here I'm even showing the profit because that was kind of thick right there, and there I go moving my stop up. Right there, and then I secured that profit, and then I was up with that much, and then that's the recap for the week basically. Because yeah, and then what I did after I got that though was I made sure I didn't swirl the gates like I did down here and just log out, and then I signed into my paper trader. So if I wanted to do something, I would just do it on my paper trader and I wouldn't hurt myself basically. Because I don't need no more. Like literally all I need is 200 a day to get a payout for 5 days. I don't need to do no more basically. So I'm gonna take that 900 and that's it. So yeah, that's the recap. Gonna just continue to do what I'm doing and then trying to get my payout, and then that's it. Yeah.